Welcome children. Before entering into the example questions, let me tell you few important terms. That is, so consider an example. This is an equation. So how to find solution for an equation? From this we want to find the value of x, which means first we should transpose this plus 5, this side becomes minus 5. After that, want to keep this x as it is, minus 5 as it is, and transposing this 3 becomes denominator. Therefore value of x is minus 5 by 3. This we can tell it as value, or we can tell it as solution. X oda value nu solluvom, x oda solution nu solluvom. It is also called as factor. It is also called as zero. It is also called as root. It's very important. Solution is also called as zero. Zero is also called as factor. Factor is also called as value. Value is also called as root. It's very important. So keep in mind. Then enter into this one. Previous video we saw just finding the value of the polynomial. It's very simple. Same thing only we are going to do, but the condition is check whether. Only the term, the previous question they asked, find the value of a polynomial where this is a remainder, this is something is given. Instead of that, they gave check whether, or verify whether, or determine whether. This also same process as we did earlier. In this question, the variable is t. Here they didn't give the value x directly. We want to find the value of t and then we should substitute in this polynomial. So we did as usual the previous method. And the method la vandu find value nu question ketirukanga. Inga check whether. Check பண்றோம், இது factor ஆன் check பண்ண போறோம். Only slight changes are there. So first step as usual same process. First step is we want to write this small polynomial and put equal to 0. From this we want to find the value of t. So how to find t? Minus 1. T is equal to minus, transposing this 2 becomes denominator, therefore t is equal to 2. Sorry, minus 1 by 2. What we want to do? Want to substitute this t in this polynomial. So value of t is minus 1 by 2, 4 into minus 1 by 2 whole cube plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 whole square minus, already one minus is there, so minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 4 into minus 1 by 2 cube, in the sense minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. Multiplying minus 1 by 2 3 times. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. Multiple the numerator, 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. By 2 into 2 into 2 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So minus 1 by 8. In the value simplify panna namakku minus 1 by 8 kadichirukku. Then plus 4 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1 by 2 2s are 4. Here minus into minus plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Simplifying, since it is multiplication, minus 4 by 8 plus into plus plus 4 into 1 is 4 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Simplify as we saw in the rational number. First simplify this and this get cancelled, that is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and if we cancel this and this we will get 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. See here, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 get cancelled and plus 1 minus 1 is getting cancelled. Answer is 0. We got answer is 0. If the answer is 0, போன கொஸ்டினில் வந்து ஃபைண்ட் த வேல்யூ ஆஃப் தான் கேட்டாங்க, அதனால் அதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கிட்டோம். இந்த கொஸ்டினில் செக் வெதர் இட் இஸ், இதை நம்ம செக் பண்ணோம். ஃபேக்டரா, ரிமைண்டரா, ரூட்டா, சொல்யூஷன் அப்படின்னு செக் பண்ணோம். இந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு ஆன்சரில் வந்து 0 வந்துருச்சு, லாஸ்ட்டில் எல்லாம் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி ஆன்சரில் 0 வந்துருச்சுன்னா தேர்ஃபோர் 2t + 1 அந்த சின்ன பாலினாமியல் இருக்கு இல்லையா, is a, அங்கே கொஷனில் என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்க, is a multiple of a, is a factor of a, is a remainder of a, is a root of, is a zero of. அந்த வார்த்தை மட்டும்தான் மாறும், பட் ப்ரொசீஜர் இஸ் சேம். லாஸ்ட்டில் ஆன்சர் வந்து ஜீரோ வந்துச்சுன்னா இஸ் அ ஃபேக்டர் ஆஃப் த பிக் பாலினாமியல், தட் இஸ் 4t cube plus 4t square minus t minus 1. ஒருவேளை ஆன்சரில் நாட் ஈக்குவல் டு ஜீரோ தவிர வேறு எந்த வேல்யூ வந்தாலும் இந்த இடத்துல இஸ் நாட் அப்படின்னு போடுவோம். ஈக்குவல் டு ஜீரோ வந்துச்சுன்னா இஸ் அ ஃபேக்டர், ஜீரோவை தவிர வேறு எந்த வேல்யூ வந்துச்சுன்னா இஸ் நாட் அ ஃபேக்டர். அவ்வளோதான். இந்த ஃபேக்டருக்கு பதிலாக ஜீரோன்னு கொஷினில் கேட்பாங்க, ஃபேக்டருக்கு பதிலாக மல்டிபிள்னு கேட்பாங்க, எப்படி வேணால் கேட்பாங்க, பட் ப்ரொசீஜர் இஸ் சேம் திங், same process as we did here also. We are going to do one more question. Verify whether, I told you already, verify whether, check whether, determine whether, all are same process. In this question they gave the x value directly. It's very simple. First p of x is equal to 3x plus 1. So p of value of x is minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into, instead of x we want to substitute, that is minus 3 into 1 is 3 by 3 plus 1, get cancel, minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. We got answer 0. Therefore what we want to write, therefore x is equal to minus 1. See, in the previous question it's a factor of they gave, here they gave 0 of, so x is equal to minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial 3x plus 1. That's all. Process is same, only that words, technical words alone will vary. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.